Hey guys, before the video starts, I just want to let you know that I'm doing a huge giveaway. Not just because I'm moving out and I have to get rid of almost more than half of the things I own, but because I want your guys' clicks. So let's get into this giveaway. First, we got a Kane built aftermarket headlight for an S2. I think it works on an RX as well. It's just these brackets won't fit, but these brackets are for the S2. So S2 modification, Pro Mead pedals. We got a seat from a S2 tan, which is looks good on other bikes that are not the S2. The Olive R, for example. We got that. We got a little fake exhaust pipe. Everyone loves the goofs. Everyone loves the goofs. We got a watch, a Super 73 watch that I never even wore. I just bought with points because I was selling Supers like crazy. Look at that. Super 73 watch. Super 73 watch. Sur-Ron pedal kit from Luna Cycles. Never used. Legalize your Sur-Ron. Fender, front fender for an Onyx dirt kit. That's a look. That's a look. Some people like it. You could make a crazy looking bike with all this. And some stock RX handlebars. And you might be like, what? Why would anybody want those? Well, they have a little sticker. They have a little sticker here that has been banned from the internet, and if Super 73 sees you with that sticker, they will send you a scary letter from their legal team. But anyways, all this is included. I don't have it here, but one of those Invoxia trackers, I'll get you one of those with a year's subscription on there. And and this, how about this gallon of gas? Because, you know, now I have a diesel truck. I sold my truck, by the way, guys. I sold Honda Rousey. I'll make a whole video about it. But all I have now is a diesel bus. I have no need for gasoline. So I will ship you this gasoline in the mail. A gallon of gas also. So, yeah, all you have to do is like the video, make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment, and follow me on Instagram at Delegal. Pretty easy. All you gotta do is all that. I'm not really gonna ship you the gas unless you live in California and you're on my route. Maybe I'll just drop you off this it's California gas, so it's like $7. All that, you get all that. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that worth clicking the subscribe button? Anyways, join the giveaway and get ready for the video. Let's go. What's up, e-heads? Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. We are on our way to LAE Skate. And it's the OG route, which is kind of fun. It's fun to not do the OG route for like 2 months. And then it's like nostalgic when they're like, hey, we're doing the OG ride. It's like, whoa, sick. And today we're on the what the hell? What is this? What are we on? Today we're on the Papa Bear, the Grizzly Aerial Rider. 52 volt version 2. 2,000 watt motors. But we made our dreams come true, and we put our stock Sur-Ron handlebars on here, lowered. There, I put the stock Sur-Ron handlebars upside down, and this fairing, this headlight fairing from Wish. I'll show you. I'll get off later and I'll show it to you guys. But look at this. Doesn't this just look crazy from your view? It really changes the whole, it feels like a whole different bike. It feels like a whole different bike. Just drastically lowering the handlebars. The handlebars were like up here before. We'll see how long my back can survive this riding stance. But so far, I like it. I like the rider like this. This bike sounds like a ghost, kind of. It sounds like a ghost mixed with the Ukraine sirens. It sounds like a lost soul drifting through purgatory. Also it sounds like the warning sirens in Ukraine. Oh, the news. The news is here. The news is here. How do we get on the news?
Police say from January of 2019 to December of 2021, there were 186 collisions involving e-bikes or bicycles. 163 involved injuries. Tuesday night, the City Council passed an ordinance that adds e-bikes and motorized mobile devices to the existing bicycle code.
Jesus, brother. Why not care? Why not care? Why not look out for one another?
One little mistake and you're toast.
Oh, hey, buddy. Good to see you.
Well, that thing got really low profile.
Yeah, that's very interesting.
Oh,
man.
they're upside down too.
Oh, you never seen one of these?
What's going on here, bro? I like it.
My headlight needs to be a bit bigger.
It still kind of works though in a way. It still looks cool.
Not bad for 25 bucks on Wish and some zip ties. Whoa, what is that thing?
That's that thing you just got, right? That new.
This one? Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, these are nice. I mean, not Suron nice, but they're cool.
Oh, but that thing. Yeah, I just saw your video yesterday.
Bars are sick. What a good idea.
I know, right? Those are stock Suron bars.
That's the Suron shit?
Yeah.
That's what I'm
You got one?
No, yeah, I got Surons.
Oh.
I immediately removed those.
Oh yeah.
So weak. Have you ever seen the inside of these things? Woo, make me nervous.
The headlight, the diameter is like too big.
Oh, it is.
So it looks a little bit in the front,
You probably lose a
but
little bit of your light right here too.
I have a bigger light I can shove in there.
That was such a good idea. You just had that shit on the side. It's great.
I bought this a while ago because someone else here had one.
The X52, the handlebars?
No, those are Suron.
That's upside down Suron handlebars.
Dude,
Looks like the ones on the rider.
Yeah, they should just come out like they look so much better.
I know.
You're sitting up here like this on the floor.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm waiting for someone to cafe out a Suron.
Yeah.
No one, I had this.
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Anyone done
I
it?
still don't think it would look as good as this though. That's such a good idea, bro. Good job. I don't know if it'll go up as good as the Suron, but it'll go up hills. They're dope. And they're really hard to get. They take forever.
These?
Did you have your mails, right? I looked at the Robinson.
I got mine in like 10 days.
Did it came that quick?
Yeah,
told me it
they
was
ship
like
from
a month
Washington.
and a half. Maybe they've changed it because it was
Oh.
before I got my Suron. We were looking at this because we got her a Cabot, and they were like, "Oh, it'd be like a month, maybe 2 months to get." You know,
A Cabot?
A Cabot, yeah.
What's a Cabot?
Cason Cabot. It
Oh.
looks almost just like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it doesn't have the dual batteries. It only has one 1000 in the back, and it doesn't have these wonderful shocks.
Oh.
Man, kills your ass. Still gonna beat a Suron.
No, I know. Yeah, what's up, man?
Enjoy your video.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thanks, man. What do you think about the bike?
Is this new?
Yeah. Thanks for the support.
Oh, no problem, man. I really enjoy your vlogs.
I appreciate it, man.
Listen, man.
Whoa, that's a Rivian. Look at that. That pickup truck?
Yeah.
I've never seen one of those in the street.
What's up, man? Is this your ride?
Yeah.
Cool. Love it. Did you replace the handlebars?
Yeah, these are stock Suron handlebars.
Oh, okay.
These are upside down sit-around handlebars.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You didn't like the, you want to be the forward posture?
The upper handlebars are really comfy, but I don't know, it feels weird to like shred with them.
Oh, yeah?
Like going fast or like, I don't know, I don't know. I've seen a couple aerial riders and they all kind of look the same.
Yeah. Now this looks like the X class, the 2-volt,
Oh yeah.
leaning forward a lot. I'm thinking about buying one of these, but do you like it?
Dude, yes, I love it, man. The range is insane.
Dual battery?
Yeah, and like I keep it in dual motor and I just pin it all the time, and it's like doesn't make a dent for
How
what
many miles do you actually get when you're like shredding like that?
I think it's gonna be.
I haven't come close to even having range anxiety. I've gone like 20 miles like shredding. They say 75 plus,
Yeah.
but I don't know. I'll have to really check that out someday.
Do you actually pedal or no?
Never.
Never.
I mean, when I'm going through a red light or something, or when I'm doing something maybe I shouldn't be doing.
Yeah. Very cool. Yeah, maybe I'll get one.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Dylan. I think I met you a long time ago.
Yeah, I think
You have a white bike, right?
5 months. Yeah, I'm David. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta upgrade my bike. Aerial rider is probably better than Super 73, but look, not as good on Instagram. So.
Yeah, that Super 73 is like the iPhone,
Yeah.
and these are like the Android.
Right.
They're like,
more capable, less sexy.
but for some reason people make fun of them.
Do people make fun of these?
People have. I don't know who though.
Is there?
Yeah,
Every single time I see it, it's got
some new mod.
I love it.
Eric, check it out. I'm an aerial rider now.
How many bikes you got?
4. I'm in your gang now.
Nice to see ya. Yeah.
How you riding like this?
I just did that. I just made it like that. We'll see how far I can go driving like that. Dang, you look like RoboCop on that.
Okay, so there's the bracket. And then
Yeah, it comes with that bracket, and that's pretty much it. You gotta put,
you put one here.
huh? Well, because I don't know how permanent I'm gonna have this as a mod. You know, zip ties are very, very expensive.
I realized that was you, man. Man, those are good.
That's not going anywhere.
And it'll help with the aerodynamics too.
Yeah. And when it's cold out, I can get low, and I'll just I'll be in there. What's up, bro?
How you doing, brother?
How's it going, man?
See you, man.
What's up, man? See my new bike? Oh, it's hiding.
My buddy.
You see my new bike?
Greg's bike?
Guitarist of mine. Yeah, plays for.
Yeah, I got the
Behind
yeah, I got the upgraded Greg's bike. Let me have a bite.
I'm starving, bro.
Let me have a bite.
Have some of that window that's missing from the Starbucks.
Oh no. Did the activists come? Did the activists not like the corporate coffee place?
It's also down the street on that coffee spot, locals only.
What, a broken window?
Fucking old man.
Okay, well then you're not gonna wear this. You don't have time.
Hey, Kadeem! Kadeem! Haven't seen Kadeem in a while. Whoa. Nice bike.
Thank you.
I got this after I saw you and Johnny.
Sorry, I got my earphones.
Oh, no problem.
We'll talk after, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Chopped on the bars, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Let's find a Super 73 that wants to race. I'm interested in this little thing. What is that? It's the rise of the mini bikes. My God, I must know everything about that bike. That thing is wild. Oh yes, yes, Sawyer picks. Holy crap. That bike got me 250,000 views. It's my most viewed e-bike vlog. Oh wow, this guy's like fucking, oh no! Oh no, no, no. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Ooh. Oh, she's okay. Hey, shut up. Dang, we got a biff. We got a biff in the first mile of the route. Hopefully she's okay. She seemed okay. She brushed it off. She brushed her shoulders off, so. We gotta find a soup head to race. I think I picked a target. I think I picked a target already. I see him up there. No, he's not. He's not racing. Oh my God! Another crash. Oh my God. What the hell? 2 Sur-Ron crashes already, and I didn't even capture them. Some people come to this ride and they just want to cruise around and look at bikes. Other people, they want to race through these canyons. I am one of those people. How are these people crashing? And how do we make sure that we don't crash? Hold up. Hold up. That guy has a modified Super 73. I saw his little dashboard. Oh no. That was embarrassing.
I put the 58 tooth chain ring on.
Woo, that thing's huge.
And that allows you to pedal all the way up to 32 miles an hour.
Really? That is gigantic.
Talked about fucking love Dario.
Thanks, man. Dude, 2 crashes.
Oh, nice.
You see? No, nice.
I say nice because it still looks beautiful.
No, there was 2 crashes today.
Oh, today?
You didn't see that?
No, I just saw one, and the guy was just standing up by the Sur-Ron. I was standing at the corner. And what do you mean by the second?
I saw 2 Sur-Rons crash already. Yeah.
Oh fuck! I just saw the guy with no helmet on. He wrecked.
I think Sur-Rons might be the new one wheel with the amount of crashing.
The new one wheel. No, one wheel still got that overall.
You got 2 motors on that?
Yeah.
That thing is fast. So you got a beefed up back motor and a front motor.
Yeah.
Is that thing just heavy as hell?
Not bad.
What's the top speed?
I haven't really tried it.
Oh yeah.
I did. With that,
Is that a drill battery?
Like 44. What's that?
Is that a drill battery?
Yeah, for the lights.
Oh man. That is cool, man. I always wanted to see a mid-drive Super 73.
Wanna try it out?
Oh yeah.
This is the hub motor.
Yeah.
This is a mid-drive.
Oh,
It kind of
okay.
kicks in like a second after this one.
Oh, okay. I'm like, I'm gonna smoke this guy, and he's got a bat bike, a Batmobile bike. Oh, whoa! So much information to look at. Oh my goodness! What was I? What are you doing?
You got a new bike here, huh?
This is not it. Dude, I thought I was gonna smoke this guy in the canyons. I'm like, I'm gonna pass that Super 73.
Everything on there?
Dude, it's got all new everything. Look at this. Whoa.
Oh.
Look at all this. I don't even know what to look at. What am I supposed to be looking at here? The gnats. Remember the gnats? What the hell? Oh man, that's crazy, dude. That is so fast. So this is just for each motor?
Yeah, this is the hub motor and the mid-drive.
Oh man.
It needs them. That's why I have.
Yeah. Dude, that is so cool. Can I pick it up?
Oh, it's heavy. That battery.
It is, but it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. Man, I want that. 40 something you said?
Yeah, like a little bit past 40. If I mess with the gearing, I
Mhm.
can probably go a little bit faster.
Man. What's your name?
Noe.
No, hey, Dylan. Nice to meet you, man. Okay, let me re-emphasize what I'm trying to say. Who has a stock Super 73 that wants to race? Whoa. Hey! Hey, that's too cool! Hey! Hey, that is too cool, my friend! Hey, you better put that front wheel down, brother. I think that might be illegal. I think that might be illegal, sir. Sir, I'm going to ask you to put that front wheel down. Sir. Sir, you can't be doing that. What about mustache? This bike is quieter than a Sur-Ron, but louder than a Super. It's not annoying loud. It's like, I don't know. It makes a cool little sci-fi noise, a little cyberpunk noise. It was far away. Are you okay? Oh, that's good.
She was trying to go up into the dirt.
Oh, you're going off-road. I saw somebody else crash too.
Yeah, you the guy with the helmet, Josh. He actually ripped his gauge out of his ear.
Oh, whoa, oh, yuck.
A little much, huh?
I don't want to hear that.
Yeah, it looks nice. How many miles you got on your Grizzly?
I don't even know how to check.
Just hit the center button, just tap it real light.
Oh, 55 miles.
How much?
55.
Oh,
Yeah, I just got it.
right now.
Yeah, it's a baby. What is this? We got some awkwardness. Does anybody ride a stock Super 73 anymore? Oh, we stopping here? Oh, I think I'm way too far forward. I'm way too much in the front. Although that's where the cool little tiny bikes are.
Hey, you're Dylan, right?
Yeah,
I'm a big fan, dude. I watch all your videos.
I appreciate it. You were with him. Your buddy's with him and that Johnny guy, right?
Yeah, I live close to Johnny. Like, I live like a mile away from him.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but I met him through LA Skate, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've been watching. I actually got into LA Skate because of your video.
Oh, well, welcome.
Yeah, because I was doing like a lot of research on e-bikes and stuff, and somehow I got into your channel. And
Yeah. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate
it. Year from that point to actually buy an e-bike and get my hooks and all that shit, and then finally get it on.
Yeah, you gotta do a lot of research nowadays. And
Well, yeah,
everything, there's always a newer, better thing that comes out.
Yeah, and to get the bike to LA Skate was my challenge.
Oh, yeah. That was nice. Yeah. Support. Support the culture. Support the lifestyle. Again with this. Yeah! Pull your phone out. Pull your Facebook out. Follow us on Facebook. I think that woman was making fun of us. That is going to be the vlog, guys. Oh, she's getting her phone out. Not fast enough. She had kind of a Karen face, though. That's the vlog, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for clicking the like button and the notification bell and all that fun stuff. Thanks for leaving a like and leaving a positive, funny comment.
10-minute break, 10 minutes.
Save a dinosaur. Ride an e-bike. Peace.
10 minutes, 10 minutes.
So you can do wheelies?
Who can?
They don't kick my camera?
Your camera was there.
Damn, bro. You win. You win in the learning wheelies contest.